Hello and welcome back to Chrishairpire, to my old and returning subscriber and to my new subscribers, or to those who are just coming here for their very first time. You are welcome, like bienvenue. So this is the long awaited video. I'm actually showing you how to do these handmade locks that I actually do by myself. So if you are not yet, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, just go ahead and subscribe to become a part of the family. So to achieve this log, there are many tools I use. I normally can use the crochet needle, use a knitting needle, the small crochet pin or the big crochet pin, and the normal Locs pin. So all of these tools, we can use it differently to still achieve this log. So after this video, I'm going to make another video showing you how to use these various tools to achieve this same look, so nobody complains that I don't have the Locs pin. So at least you must have one of these tools. So for the video, we'll be needing this kinky hair. You can use any kinky hair of your choice, any brand. So this is the hair I'm using right here. So to achieve this blonde color, your shot like this, you're going to cut it into 4, like you bend, cut, bend again, and cut. So one strand gives you the 4 pieces like that, but we are not going to cut this into 4 because it's not blonde, it's black. So the black part of this locks is longer, so we just cut it into 1. That's in the middle, and we are going to be using this part for the locks. So you just go ahead and detangle the locks. So right here I'm detangling it, and this part I'm stretching up is the part that I don't want to lock, so that you can use that part to braid on the hair. So that's why I'm stretching that part up. So go ahead and detangle. I just go ahead to detangle the hair again, and I'm going in with my Locs pin. So doing this or making these locks, it's really easy. It's just that practice make perfect. So once you start practicing, you get perfect at it. So as you can see, this is just what I do. Put the crochet inside the mesh and bring it out, and I like the hooks of my crochet facing down. So I'm just interwoven. As you are sending it into the extension, the kinky hair, you are interwoven it. You send, it comes out of hair, you turn around, put, and continue. That's just how you do it. The reason why we bring out hair and turn it over like I'm doing is just to secure the outer part of it and make sure it's covered and it locks very well, and so that in the future when using it, the hair inside or in the middle will not be threatening to come out. Like there will be no fly of hair, or the locks will not be rough. So that's just it. So you just go ahead, keep on inserting the pin into the hair, the Locs pin into the hair, and bringing out just like that, while turning the extension around. Just insert, bring out, turn around, just like this. Turn around, insert, bring out hair, you turn around, and you keep on doing this. Once you discover that the part on which you're working, the portion that you're working on has lock, you push downward a little bit, you take another portion and work on it. So when doing this, you work on portions. Like once you're on a portion, you make sure you are done and you lock that area very well, and once it's locked, you extend your hands and go down and continue. And as you can see here, my thumb is doing a great job because it's my thumb pressing down the hair before, like securing the hair from on top so that the pin can lock it very well, and also making sure it flips over. So you see that always turn the hair around as you work. You turn around as you work to make sure that everything is even. All the areas are even, like one side is not bumpy, another side low, so that everything should be smooth, clean and flawless. So that's the reason why we turn around. If not, it's still possible to just hold from one direction and lock it, and it will lock, but it will not be flawless, guys. So if you're walking and going down with your crochet pin and you discover that there's a portion up that you still need to touch, it's okay, you can still come up, touch and go down. So that's just it until you are done. So I'm at the bottom part of the locks. So you saw as I did, I took the hair that are flying off, you bring it up so that at the end you don't have maybe one small dry tail, because we need the edge or the end of the locks to be round so that we can attach the blonde color. You see that? You fold it or you tuck it in and bring it up, then you lock it with the pin so that it will interwoven in the middle. You see that, guys? That's what we got. So you just rub it in between your palm to smudge down any flying hair and make sure everything is smooth. As you can see how smooth it is. It's same, like it's the same thing. So this is no big deal, you can do it. So I'm going to add the blonde color. So I'll be sharing this hair in the middle. This is the hair that we divided into 4, remember? So here I'll be needing the small crochet pin to pull some blonde hair through the black hair, that is to secure the blonde to the black and make sure that even if you pull the hair, to what extent it can't separate, like the blonde can't leave the black, it's tightly or firmly secure to it. So I just roll over the flying hairs around to make that place look flawless, smooth, nice, beautiful. So I go ahead with my Locs pin and I start doing the normal, putting the locks in between the hair and bringing it out and locking it. So that's what I'm doing. Since the blonde color here is light, I'm going to fold it. You can rub it with your palm to secure the folded part so that it will be easy for you to lock it. So the process continue. We keep locking with the pin. we got this. So you can still go in with your pin to remedy every imperfection you see, and finally rub it in between your palms to smooth down any hair flying over. Guys, do you see that? This is the final result and it's perfect. So you can go ahead and make your own locks like this for yourself, for your loved ones, even for business. You can do this, package it and sell. It's a thumbs up for me. So see that? See this other strand? The one strand is just the same, it's uniform with the other part of the hair. So you can make yours, package it and sell to your friends, to anybody that need it. Like these locks, the demand for it is so high, and these locks are so beautiful because it's long lasting. Like I usually tell people it's everlasting. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, like what are you waiting for? I have a lot of good videos I'll be bringing, so go ahead and subscribe, share this video, and see you in my next video. Bye. Take care of yourself.